Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn how to storyboard. Have you ever heard that word before? A storyboard is a series of drawings that help you visualize the story and show all the fun scenes and places that the characters will explore. Storyboards don't need to be too detailed. They just need to show a simple explanation of what happens in each scene. It is a quick and fun way to showcase your ideas and express the basics of what each part of the story should mean. In each thumbnail, you can show the characters and even the backgrounds. You can use arrows to represent motion and add notes explaining extra sights and sounds. Here are some examples that the animators created when they made the Walter Precipitous video. As you can see, the thumbnails are simple and focus on just what the scene needs to show. The first one is when Walter and Crystal first meet. The second shows Crystal telling all her stories, with Walter listening and having a seat. The third one is from the end when they reunite in the sky. Now you know how storyboards are done. Are you ready to try it your own?